Now, I promised that I would explain the numbers in the center of each flower. They definitely are convenient for identifying various flowers, but there is a bit more to them, and that little bit might help you play a better game. You may have already figured out that a lot of those central numbers are mathematically related. Some of those numbers are, in fact, multiples of others. Here is the precise relationship. This great game Peduncle is built, on a covert foundation of prime factorization. Each light green tile represents a factor of 2. Notice that the picture on the light green tiles have 2 leaves. Each dark green tile represents a factor of 3. Notice that the picture on a dark green tile has 3 leaves. The number in the center of the flower is the product of all the factors that are represented by those leaves around the flower. For example, 2 times 3 equals 6. So to complete a number 6 tile, you must place a light green leaf, which represents 2, and a dark green leaf, which represents 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. When you stack a flower, each stacked flower is a multiple of each flower beneath it. So, for example, you can play a number 12 flower on top of that 6 flower because 12 is a multiple of 6, as in 6 times 2 equals 12. If you prefer thinking in terms of prime factorization, you'll recognize that 12 is made up of the factors 2 times 2 times 3. It's really very simple. But just remember, no one needs math skills to succeed at Peduncle. After all, it is just a matching game. Now, some people will enjoy the math, other people will not. Different brains have different reasoning styles, and there is no one right way to plan your next move.